Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a pop-up message in Excel. First, select the cell where you want to display the pop-up message. Now go to the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, click on Data Validation. The Data Validation dialog box will open. Go to the Input Message tab. Here you will see two fields, Title. This is the heading of the pop-up message. Input Message, this is the message you want to display. For example, I will type sample text in the title box, and in the input message box, I will type please subscribe. Now click OK. You can see that when we select this cell, the pop-up message appears next to it. When we move to any other cell, the message does not appear. It only shows for the selected cell where we applied the setting. How to remove the pop-up message. To remove it, select the same cell again. Go to Data Validation. Open the Input Message tab and click Clear All, then click OK. The pop-up message will be removed. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.